Ready to discover some wild secrets about the Amazon rainforest? Here are 3 more mind-blowing facts that will surprise you. Let's dive in. Did you know the Amazon is responsible for creating its own rainfall? Trees release moisture into the air, which then forms clouds and brings rain back to the forest. The Amazon rainforest is home to over 400 billion trees. These towering giants help regulate the Earth's climate and provide vital oxygen to our planet. Believe it or not, some rivers in the Amazon actually flow backwards. Due to the tides from the Atlantic Ocean, rivers like the Solens flow in the opposite direction. Who knew the Amazon was this incredible? Hit like if you're amazed, and share this with someone who loves nature and adventure.